Welcome back to cloneapp official account. I am cloneapp71. Today, I want to share with you a super simple trick. That is, how to use multiple Facebook Lite on your phone easily. Before we start, I hope you haven't forgotten to follow my YouTube channel. Let's get started. First, you need to download and install cloneapp. This is very simple. Just search for cloneapp in the Google Play Store and click to install. Once installed, open the app and it will automatically create an account for you. Now, let's see how to use cloneapp to add and manage multiple Lite apps. On the homepage of cloneapp, click the plus button and go to the app list. This lists all the apps on your phone. Swipe to find the app you want. Take Facebook Lite as an example. After finding Lite, click the green button to start cloning. After the cloning is completed, you will see a new icon on the main interface. Click it, log into your account, and you can use it as usual. Repeat the previous steps and you will get multiple Lite clones. But remember, cloneapp can only be used to log in, not to register new accounts. Finally, cloneapp has some interesting features, such as app lock, virtual space. You can also change the name and icon of your clone, or create a desktop shortcut for it. It is very easy to manage multiple Lites with cloneapp. Whether it is to save memory or to try different applications, cloneapp can meet your needs. You can download cloneapp to experience it yourself, or click on my channel to see more cloneapp-related videos. If you like this video, please like and follow me. You can also join my Telegram group, which often has free VIP activities. If you have any questions or suggestions, please tell me in the comments, or contact our official Telegram customer service, cloneapp555. Thank you for watching. See you next time.